बच्चों, today we will do new words and question answer of our poem Crying Unit 4. So first we will start with new words. First word is soaked, meaning completely wet. Next is shower, meaning bath in which water is spread from above. Next is wept, meaning shed tears or cried. So you can write here anything between shed tear and cry. Both will be correct. Okay. So now let's move on the question answer. First question is, according to the poet, should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? So if you read the poem, you know the answer very well. Answer is, according to the poet, we should cry a lot. Next is, what can you do after crying a lot? Answer, you can take a bath after crying a lot. So बच्चों, I wrote this answer on the basis of the poem. You can write here on the basis of your personal experience or observation. Okay. So next question is, read the first two lines of the poem. Is the mood happy, sad, angry, jealous or upset? So what was the mood of the poet in the beginning of the poem? Correct answer is sad. Next question. In the last few lines, the mood of the poet has changed. What is it now? Very happy, angry, cheerful, sad or jealous? So what was the mood of the poet at the end of the poem? Correct answer is cheerful. Next question is, are these sentences right or wrong? So on the basis of the poem, you have to find out the correct answer. Okay. First sentence is, the poet says you must not cry much. पोएट ने क्या कहा था पोएम में कि क्या आपको ज़्यादा नहीं रोना चाहिए या रोना चाहिए? So the poet says you must not cry much. So this sentence is wrong. Why? Because the poet was saying you should cry a lot. Next is, the poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. So this sentence is very much right. Next is, the poet says that after crying you should open the window and laugh so that people will see that you are happy. So yes, this sentence is right. Next is, the poet says that you should open the window and show people that you are crying. So is it correct? No. This sentence is wrong. Let's move on next question. Where do you cry? So where do you cry? Try to understand the question. Where do you cry? What are the things that make you cry? So you have to write the answer of this question on the basis of your experience and observation. Okay. I wrote the answer here on the basis of my experience. I cry when I am alone. I cry when I am hurt. Next is, can you cry when you are happy? No, I am not cry when I am happy. Can you cry? Yes or no? You have to write here your views. Next question is, which are the things that make you happy? Which type of things make you happy? Okay, in what ways do you show your happiness? So this answer also will be on your experience. Okay, do not copy this answer. This is my feeling. Okay, I feel happy when I have my favorite food. I laugh and get excited about my happiness. Next is word building. So the question is, the word happiness ends in ness. Okay, happiness ends in ness and comes from word happy. Okay, write three words that end in the same way. Which words do they come from? Okay, so we have to add ness in the end of the word and find out which word is used. So first is cleverness. What we have to do? We will add ness in the end of clever. So cleverness word come from clever. Okay. Next is kindness. Kindness word come from kind. Next is neatness. Neatness word come from neat. You can write few more words. Okay. So you can write the answer like this. Cleverness come from clever. Kindness come from kind. Neatness come from neat. Okay, so let's move on. The next question is fill in the blanks with the exact feeling word. So feelings क्या होती हैं? Happy, sad, cry, excited, worried, frightened. ये सब क्या होती है? हमारी फीलिंग्स होती हैं. सो उन्हें फीलिंग्स के बेसिस पे हमको क्या करना है? ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स कंप्लीट करने हैं. ओके. So first sentence is the tourists were dashed to see the beautiful Taj Mahal. Option amazed, shocked, worried. Correct answer is amazed. So the tourists were amazed to see the beautiful Taj Mahal. Next is the lights went out suddenly. I was alone and option is worried, shocked, frightened. Correct option will be frightened. I was alone and frightened. मैं अकेली थी और डरी हुई थी. Next is he has been ill for a long time and his parents were dash unhappy, worried, angry. Correct option will be worried. Obviously parents will be worried when their kids will be ill for a long time. Next is the shopkeeper was dash when he saw his safe wide open with all his money missing. Okay, safe यानी तिजोरी जो हर एक दुकानदार अपने शॉप पे रखता है ना, तिजोरी जिसमें वो अपने पैसे वैसे रखता है. तो शॉपकीपर was unhappy, shocked और angry. What was the feeling? The shopkeeper was shocked when he saw his safe wide open with all his money missing. सेफ को ओपन देखा और उसमें से सारी मनी गायब देख करके shopkeeper was shocked. So this was the exercise of our poem. Thank you.